guys, don't mind my hair. I just woke up. And we here have my dog. I'm trying to hold him because he's going to jump off this like 9 freaking feet off bed. So I'm hungry, so we're going to go get some food. I'm literally walking down the hall and I'm going to go in the kitchen. Nobody's here right now. Just me because, well, they had my grandma and grandpa, they had to go to this like doctor thing. And I'm thinking to myself, well, my grandpa, yeah, it might be here, but I don't know what he's doing, so we're gonna go get some food because I'm hungry. I don't see anything. Maybe like a string cheese. No, wait, yogurt. I love yogurt. Where's my yogurt? Boop. Guys, look what I found. Oh. Okay. Come on. Come on. I don't care what kind it is. I just want... Oh, no, I can't fit. Shoot. Okay, well, I got it. But hang on. Let me just set you guys down really fast so I can get this. I just need a spoon. Watch out. Perfect. All right, come on, doggy. Sorry about that. I forgot about you guys. No, that was just all planned out. Okay, let's just shut that. Okay, so now we're gonna go outside. I got my yogurt and stuff. Puppets, come on. Come on. Let's go outside. Everybody outside. Come on. Lady. Lady, let's go outside. Lady, focus, camera. Focus. Okay, well, let's go outside. Wait a minute. Did they not come out? Hang on. I'm trying to do this with like one hand. Oh, shoot. Come on. Get out of the table. Lady, come on. Going outside. Every dog in this house coming outside. See, no cars here. Everybody's gone because that's your truck to the post. Do you really need to go outside? Okay, we need to get this and this. Papas! Come on, lady. Let's go. Come on, girl. She usually listens. Guess not today. He's gonna go to the bathroom. Good boy. He's going potty. It's so blurry. Hang on. I don't even know where Zeppelin went, but this thing is not focusing at all. Okay, just stay there. There he is. Oh, he's taking a poo-poo. Why is this not focusing? Really close to a handle? No. What the heck? Okay, guys. You're just gonna have to deal with not focused. Because this thing will not focus. Ew, my leg hair. Pants. Will focus? No. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish my yogurt and I'll do it a little bit. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be eating this. I know I have like no hands, so I'm putting it in my lap, I guess. But then, what are you doing? Lady's inside still. I don't know what she's thinking. What she's thinking? Okay, I'm gonna finish this. Let's take my first bite. That was really good. Yes. This is just gonna be my breakfast. I've never just had one thing for breakfast, but well, I'm sure I have. Okay, I'm just gonna act like I'm playing a game on my phone. There you are. Right now. Ah, no, the flies are gonna eat this. Okay, I'm coming. Just. No, Zeppelin, you stay out. Come on, lady. No. Oh my gosh. That works. Okay, guys, now I'm lonely. Nobody is here. I don't even know what that kind of thing was, but I'm taking this with me. You want out? You want out? You're so cute. This lady doesn't want it. Come on. No shoes. I can't believe this thing's still not focusing. Does it focus on my face? I'm not sure. Okay. I promise you guys when I'm done with this. But if he's being so adorable, I'm going to keep on filming. So, yeah. Okay, I have no clue what that was, but I'm done. So I'm gonna go put this in the trash. Oh well. Ew, it stinks. Here's my spoon still. You looking for me? I'm gonna go inside, put this in the sink. Come on, Zeppelin, we're gonna go inside. I don't want all the flies in. Just leave you out there. Okay. Hey. Hi, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful boy. You're so handsome. No, you don't bite. Okay, guys, so that'll be it for this video. Well, maybe not. I know, I make terrible content, but please subscribe. Okay, so, I know my vlogs are usually so boring. Where are you going? You gonna follow me? What? Oh, yay, it's focused. This is the only way I'll get it to be focused if I zoom in a lot. There's a pool. Okay, this is literally the only reason. It's drained because stuff. Because it was gross. And everybody hated it. Oh wait, look, it's focused now. It's focused now, puppy. Look, it's focused. Okay, so. I'm kind of bored, I don't know. Zeppelin, come on. Really? Come on, Papa's one treat. I knew, oh, come on. Come on. One treat. One treat. You want ladies' bones? Quiet. Okay, I'm going to get this puppy inside. Guys, it's trying to run in the flowers. You guys can't really see him, but I'm really carefully holding him right now. Oh. You are just a poop right now. Okay, go inside. You need to go inside. Come on. Let's go in my room. Come on, Puppus. Let's go. Zeppelin. Are you going to go inside or not? Because you can't stay here by yourself. No. We go inside. Wow, that took forever. Okay. In my room. Oh my gosh. Go the other way. Zeppelin, come here. Here you go. There you are. See you. I see you. Come on, let's go in my room. Go play out your toys. Oh. Okay. Back to my room. It's very messy right now. Okay. Yes, I'm sure we got that dumb fly out, so I'll have to block my door. Lame. Alright guys, so that is it for my video. Please subscribe, leave a like if you liked the video, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.